Want your kids to speak native English? Want your kids to love learning English? Trying to improve your core exam skills? Trying to stand out in interviews? In Cantonese mode, can't swap to English? Want to speak fluent English at work? Eureka's teachers can help.
My name is Cam.
Andrew. Steve. Derek.
Sophia.
Adam. Green. Ray.
Eureka's teachers are native English teachers. Most of them come from English-speaking countries such as
Canada.
South Africa.
England.
Australia.
The US.
Ireland.
New Zealand.
They are experienced in areas of teaching including
special education needs and those who are hard of hearing,
Vocabulary acquisition, reading comprehension, expressive writing, and grammar.
Language proficiency courses to business English.
Listening, writing, and speaking.
primary school grammar, reading, phonics, storytelling, interviews.
Conversational English, TSA, drama, business English.
Add a lot of activities, some songs, and as many games as possible.
Eureka's teachers can help you improve your English for studying locally and abroad, examinations, school and job interviews, the workplace, traveling, migration, guiding children learning. See you soon, Eureka class!